Hi, welcome back. So like I said, we left this where we were done last time. I just went in and did a quick save. Saved it as called the wheel project, and now I'm going to basically make the wheel. Now the wheel's a little different on this. It's going to have to be a follow me, and that's not going to be the easiest thing in the world for me to do right now. So bear with me for a minute. I've never been a big fan of SketchUp's use of the follow me tool. It's basically the revolve for this. So I know the top of my wheel is 1.5 inches across. So I'm just going to draw a line right there that's 1.5 inches. I know that it comes down a quarter, eighth of an inch this way. So I've got to come down another eighth of an inch on this side. Now here's where it gets a little weird. I know that over here, I'm going to put a line from right here going straight out this way. I'm going to go to exactly 2 inches. Okay. That's where the center of my wheel's got to be. Okay. Now my wheel has an inside diameter of 1 inch, if I remember right. Okay. So I got to come back up this thing exactly 0.5. There's that end. This is going to come out this way, half of 1 and, well, let's just go 0.625. We'll just make it easy. It's going to come out half that, and it's going to come up a quarter, and it's going to come in this way. So I'm going to come in this way right about 3/8 of an inch, and then come up here. Now, here's the weird part. This is a function right here. So all I got to do is come off here, come down another eighth of an inch, come back in here until I line up with this guy, and then draw the line straight down. Okay. What I've done is this. I've created a funny little angle to work with right here. What I don't show you is I made that right there because my wheel is actually tapered at the top. So I've got this going on here. Okay. So I'm going to go like this. And then what I'd like to do is mirror it over. Now looking through my tools over here, I've got move, I've got scale, stretch, offset. I have never found, and I've never been looking honestly, I think you can do it in the pro version, but not in this one. Oh, go away. I'd like to mirror that over. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to be able to. So what I'm going to have to do is this. I'm going to have to reproduce everything exactly going the other way. Don't do that. Okay, so there's my section of my wheel. So that I need to now tell it to follow me. So here's the weird part. I need to come over from here, and I'm going to come over all of 1/2 inch, and that's going to be used to mark a circle. So I'm going to use a circle tool out here. But I got to get it going in the right plane. See, it wants to go in the wrong plane. I got to figure out how to. This is one of the reasons I don't like it. Let's make a plane for just a moment. And that should allow me to draw on that red. There he is. Good, good, good. So there's my red plane. Now, if I just remove some of these lines, I should be able to tell this thing to do a follow me. I'm actually removing that, but I'm leaving the circle. I should be able to tell it to do a follow me of this shape around this axis all the way around. Okay. There's my wheel. Now it does do, okay, it does do short segments of straight, okay, but there's my wheel. It actually worked right, and it's functional. I'm not a huge fan, like I said, of making that group of the follow me tool just because of some of the quirks with it. Trying to get that plane set up so I can make a perpendicular circle to make it follow was just, I should just be able to say, okay, here's the center mark, spin it around, but it doesn't do that because it's not CAD software, it's a design software. Okay, so we'll do this one. That's our major piece here. Next time around, we're going to look at a couple of other things. We should do shells and intersects, which is going to be important. I'm going to actually use them on this next one, which is the support for this. And then we'll make the bushings and stuff in a later video. We'll probably won't show you that because it's just the follow me tool again, and let you see how that works. Okay, thanks. Bye.